Hi there, kumusta ka? Anong gagawin mo kapag you were so sure that God said go, but suddenly the door closed? Isa yan sa mga napakinggan ko kanina. And yun din yung nararanasan ko na baka nagkamali lang ako ng dinig mula sa Lord nung nanalangin ako. Or pwede naman na yung door na hinayaan niyang mabuksan was never your destination. It is just part of our development. May mga places, may mga people, may business, may opportunities na dadaanan lang natin because God is teaching us something there. He builds our faith, He is changing our hearts, and preparing us for what's next for us. Kaya na-realize ko na when a door closes, dati lagi ako nagtatanong na, Lord, bakit? And isa sa mga natutunan ko is, instead of asking bakit, might as well ask the Lord, Lord, what are you teaching me here? At ang ganda nung nabasa ko, sabi doon na, some doors closed not because God changed His mind. And maybe this is a gentle reminder for you then na a closed door cannot cancel the promises of God. If He told you to go, He will be with you. You don't need to be afraid. He is with you. Pagkatiwalaan mo lang na bawat detours, bawat rejections, bawat closed doors are redirections. And those closed doors and rejection is God's ultimate protection, preparation, and redirecting us for something better. As the Bible said, the heart of man plans his way, but the Lord establishes his steps. Kaya kapit lang tayo, dasal pa tayo. The door may have closed, but God is not yet finishing writing a beautiful story that will knock you off your feet. May ginagawang kamangha-manghang bagay ang Diyos sa sitwasyon natin.